Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is a fun one. Today, we're taking a Lamborghini Huracan Evo out and about, trading the S4 for a second. I'm pumped. This is my favorite car. I'm like a child right now. The Huracan Evo is like perfect spec. It is purple. I can't wait. We're about to show you guys. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this one has the optional cup holder, and it's so tiny. You can't fit anything in that. Oh, that's great. All right, we are sat in the Huracan Evo. Let's go drive this thing, dude. I've never been in an Evo, so this thing has the kind of infotainment screen here. Wow, this is cool. All right, we got the front axle lift up, which this car has, but I'm still a little nervous. Ooh, driving this thing. So we're gonna put the front lift down now. And you can see the car lowering. So we want to make sure that we're all set. I'm going to put this in sport mode. It's so low it rubs a bit. So this car does have the Soul Performance exhaust, which is absolutely insane. Oh my God, it pops like crazy. Jesus, that is actually absurd. Car's not warm yet, so we're gonna take it a little easy coming out of here. But I think I wanna go fast. Beautiful day to be out and about. The exhaust is nuts. And the dual clutch is so fast. Oh my goodness, I love this car. I need to have a Huracan. The exhaust is insane. This car also looks so menacing. It has the Vorsteiner wing on the back, and it is so aggressive. It is perfect. I love the purple. I love the wing purple diffuser as well. I don't know if, I think all Evos, that's standard, but it looks amazing. So we're gonna find a cool spot for some pictures, and we'll show you guys the outside of this car, because it is obviously very, very impressive. Very beautiful car. What the heck? I'm giggling like a child. Tire pressure actually went up. Dude, this is insane. There's not much room. Yeah, the guy behind me wants to play a little bit.
It just pops on its own.
Yeah. this is what I'm talking about with the rear end here, painted purple. It just looks so dang aggressive on the road. It's nuts. You can hear the exhaust. Oh, that exhaust, I don't know what about it is, but it's just amazing. It's beautiful. You hear it pop, crackle when it's behind your head, and it is so loud, even from in the cabin. Excuse my shadow, but let's take a minute to appreciate this color too. This purple is, if I had to spec a Lamborghini, I would absolutely do this purple. We got the big carbon ceramics up front, and then this gigantic Vorsteiner wing on the back. I was hesitant at first about this wing when I saw it was on the car, but in person, this wing is absolutely phenomenal. It looks amazing. Especially when you're like behind this car. We followed it for a long time on the rally. When you're behind this car and this is your view, it's perfect. So obviously the Huracan platform's been out for a while. They have made quite a lot of these. We had the Huracan 610-4, the 582, the Performante, Evo, the STO, and the Sterrato. The Evo obviously had a rear-wheel drive variant, convertible variant, as did quite a few of the other Huracans. But this one in particular is the 640-4 all-wheel drive Huracan Evo. What I really like about these is their front end. It's a bit different from the other ones, kind of with this design. This is my absolute favorite front end on the Lamborghini Huracan. This car is lowered. Don't believe we know exactly what it is, but if I had to guess, it would be probably some sort of like Novatec suspension or something. It is so dang low to the ground. I mean, if you come over here, you can't barely fit a finger right there. This car is going to be listed for sale soon, so we're going to take some pictures. The sun is pretty harsh right now, so that's going to be a little bit annoying, but it's hard to be annoyed when you're taking pictures of something so cool. So we heard the exhaust a lot from the inside of the car. Now we're going to do a startup from the outside because it is super impressive. This Soul exhaust, I don't know, it's perfectly crafted. It's insane. So I'm gonna start it up. We're gonna get a quick sound clip. I don't want to rev crazily because we're at a library and it's a Sunday. Can I do a Corsa startup? Is it gonna let us? Update on the Lion score?
It's commercial.
Oh,
it's 29, 28.
We're getting the ball back, right?
Vikings. Yeah, I think so.
Woo-hoo. Got a Lions game going on right now. It's pretty tight against the Vikings, so hopefully we can pull together a game-winning drive. That'll make today a lot better. This place is sweet. There's like all these little percussion instruments. Not a bad view to watch the game. Dude, the exhaust is so nuts! I can't get over it. Total consensus, this is the best car I think I've ever driven. It is an easy car to drive. It has a dual clutch, paddle shifters. I mean, it's absolute dream to drive. The exhaust is insane. It's absolutely, it makes the car. The wing is insane. This car is so much fun. I'm speechless, man. It was awesome. Such a cool opportunity. I drove a Huracan when I was 18, and I knew like that it was going to be my dream car. And this one is just everything about the Huracan that is perfect. This is just the better version of that. It's awesome.
And the Lions won.
And the Lions won. Last
second.
Field goal by Jake Bates. Absolutely just made the day even better. So, dude, it's sunshine, 73 degrees. October in Michigan. The Yankees just won the ALCS. Can't beat it.